Question is, what does the attorney, what's his interest in prosecuting a medical malpractice case? And I'm going to speak personally on this because I feel strongly about it. When I take a medical malpractice case, it's got to meet several criteria in addition to the ones of breaching the standard of care, causation, and damages. To me, it should be a clear-cut negligent act or omission. It's got to be something that frankly offends me because I'm passionate about holding negligent doctors accountable for the injuries that they cause to the innocent victims who are their patients. So for me to take a case, it's got to be clear-cut negligence that I feel is not just an error in judgment, but is a clear violation of what no one would possibly do. The other thing is for me, in my practice, they've got to have substantial, often catastrophic, life-changing injuries, because these are the people that I want to use my talent and my experience to benefit them and their children and their families. I take all of these cases personally. I develop relationships with my clients and affection for the vast majority of them. These folks deserve the knowledge and training that I've spent my lifetime accumulating, and I want them to get justice. I'm not going to be able to reverse their injuries, but I sure as hell want to make their life a little bit easier after those injuries. So for me, it's an act of passion. Yes, we get paid. We get paid handsomely, without a doubt. But these are expensive cases to prosecute. The fees are generally set by law. Certainly they're set at 1/3 in the state of Illinois by statute. And while the money's important, for me, it's more than that. There's been an injustice done, a wrong done. When a patient comes to me as a doctor, and I'm a surgeon, they're telling me, I'm going to let you open my body with a sharp knife, and I'm going to trust you, and I'm going to believe in you, and I know you're going to act in a reasonably careful fashion. And I will, and I do, and I've done it for my entire career, ever since I graduated medical school in 1968. When a doctor violates the standard of care, especially in an egregious fashion, that really angers me. And I want to use that passion to help these people, because after all, that's what I've devoted my entire careers to doing. Again, if you think you have a case, I'd be happy to talk to you and tell you what I think, give you my honest opinion. And it may be there's no negligence, but if there is, I will tell you that too.